everybody. Welcome back to Bummer's Barbecue and Southern Cooking. Thank you for a great 2017. 469 subscribers. You guys have blessed me. I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. It makes me feel so good. I wasn't going to cook today. I haven't cooked over the holidays. So we're going to go out and cook today. The girls are asking me to. I'm kind of going, I really don't want to do this, but we're going to. So let's head out to the backyard and see how things are out there. Just see if I want to cook or not. We're going to have a better 2018. And let's get things rocking, folks.
Can somebody open the door? Because I cannot.
Okay. Let's open up the door here. Uh-oh. Is everything locked? Nope. Rosie's going out. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, and folks, it's the snowstorm of 2018. Oh, there's my new little thing I just got. My wife rescued the other night. Some asshole at Walmart abandoned that little puppy in a shopping cart and just left it there, and it was 20 degrees. But I got to go get my grill over there, bring it over here and get ready to start cooking. Where's she at? There she is. Look at her, that's my new little monster. Look at her, she's running around the snow. She's having fun. She's enjoying this. They both having fun out here in the snow. Let's see, she gonna make some yellow snow. There she goes, she's making some yellow snow, folks. Look at her, we got some yellow snow. She's been good for what we got her. She's only a couple months old, I think. Uh-oh. They still trying to get along with each other. Uh-oh, see? You know them little dogs, they kind of mean. She's trying to show her dominance. But this is Roxy, folks. She's going to be my new helper, my new help cooker. There they all are. There's the little one doing some snow, trying. It's about melted off, but we had about 5 inches of snow yesterday. As you can see, I'm still covered. Look at them icicles on the house. Oh man, look at that one there. They're going everywhere. Uh-oh. I'm glad I got a brand new roof just a couple weeks ago. So let's go get this grill over here and we'll get ready to fire her up here. Alright folks, look at her. Got her over here. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Let me put my sleeve down. Yeah, come here and brush it off. Brush the handle on the top off. Hurry up. Clean off the handle right here on the top for me. You want to pull it off? Is it frozen?
First, I'm going to get some more snow off of this.
Alright, go ahead and try to pull it off now. Just set it up and throw it on the ground. There we go. Oh. Alright, let's get ready to get this thing fired up, folks. And we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, let's go see if we can get some charcoal, folks. Oh, as you can see, yesterday we had about a little over 5 inches of snow here. It's a miracle for South Carolina. I'm still syncing up. My German's loving it. So let me get this charcoal out and we'll get started. All right, we went ahead and pulled the Benzomatic out. We're gonna do this with grill fire. Too cold out here. Get this thing fired up real quick. Don't want it fired up for cooking also. I want it fired up to keep me warm. Yeah, put it in there in the middle. Get that all super hot. Make sure everything at the bottom's going. We'll let that go, folks. We'll see you when it's ready. Oh, by the way, folks, that one big one right up here I was showing you just a little while ago, right outside the door. Yeah, I walked out and it smacked me right in the back of the head. Luckily, no ER, no concerns, no blood. Thank God. That was the biggest icicle I ever saw. But let's get to cooking here. And by the way, folks, this new little monster I got running around here.
Roxy girl.
Roxy girl. She's having fun. Don't worry about it. Go run around, Roxy.
Hey, what's
All I can say is if you're going to be cruel to animals, folks, you need to be arrested or thrown in jail or shot. My wife went to Walmart Tuesday night, Mama? Tuesday night. It was about 25 degrees out. Mama Kelly came out and she heard something whining. And this little thing right here, not that big thing, that little thing right there, was sitting in a shopping cart. Somebody had left and was just sitting there, freezing to death. She would have died. She brought her home and we fell in love with her. She's a little monster. We're not sure what she is yet. Let's see, Mama Kelly's got her.
It's not a monster though.
She's a miniature kitten.
She's either a mini pincher, a miniature Dachshund, a Dachshund miniature crossed. I don't think she's a Chihuahua, but she's something else. She's freezing now. Let her go run around, Mom. She's having fun. She don't care.
Look at Rosie.
But trust me, guys, don't be cruel to animals. If you didn't want the puppy you got for Christmas, take it to the animal shelter. You know, come on. I wish I could find the person that did that little puppy. She got a safe, happy home right now with us. These two fight, they have fun. But don't get near my. That's gonna be hot over here. All right, that's my public service announcement for the year, folks. My wife's a good person. I'm more than good because once I saw her, I fell in love with her. She's a little monster. She's my little shit rat. So sure, YouTube's gonna ban me for that after Logan Paul showing dead people, but hey, what can you do? All right, let's get ready to fire this thing up. Well, we already got it fired up. Let's think the coals are ready to go. See you later. All I can do is show my dog's peeing. Oh, is the other one gonna mark her territory too? Look at her, folks. That's my new little buddy. She's having fun. All right, let's get this thing fired up. All right.
I think we're ready.
Is it only gonna cook the food? It's gonna keep me warm out here.
The South Carolina people don't do snow.
No, we don't do snow.
So we're cooking still in the snow. Weird.
This is the third ranked snow we ever had. Like I said, you guys saw me walking through the yard. It was like third ever. We had a little over 5 inches. I'm hoping this is gonna keep going. It's so damn cold out here. We'll fire it up one way or another, folks. We're gonna be cooking. Oh.
That's the heat, Daddy.
Oh, that feels good on my hands. We're gonna let this keep going, folks. We'll be back in a little bit when we get ready to put the burgers on. Oh, by the way, I did not mention that. Mama, we had a choice. Chicken and dumplings or burgers. And Mama had 2 pounds of venison burger. So we doing venison burgers tonight, voted on by my other daughter. So we're gonna have those out here cooking a little bit, folks. We'll see you then. All right, folks. This is warmed up. Oh, I'm freezing. Got these great big old venison burgers here. I'm just cooking them full steam tonight. All set smoking.
Too cool for all that specialness.
Oh, Oh, that feels good. My hands are cold. We ain't used to this in South Carolina, folks. Probably only getting ready to drop. Probably only about 35 right now. Getting the burgers on there. Let them cook a little bit, flip them around, take them inside and eat them. See you folks in a few. All right, folks. First flip. It's cold.
That
I
smells
think
good.
I got frostbite on my feet. We're gonna get these done quick. Even though it's cold, they're cooking quick. I think I might have to stick my feet up over top of this thing here to thaw them out. Oh, that was a little bit burnt. Guess that can be mine. Stick them off to the side here. They don't cook quite as fast. Oh, I want them cooking fast, but
Smells so good.
we don't want them burnt. All right. Oh, folks, this feels good. Best part about cooking in the winter.
Play with me and warm
your
it up.
hands up. Oh, my little monster's barking. All right, these burgers are ready to come off. I'm ready to get ready. Here we go.
You get a plate?
Yep. And that plate you brought me.
Okay.
There we go. Venison Burgers. As quick and fast as possible I could do it because
It's cold.
I'm cold. I think I got frostbite in my toes. Oh, as you can see, I put the gloves back on. Oh, that smoke's bothering my eye after my eye surgery. Oh, hold on.
What is it?
There we go.
Yum, yum, yum.
All right, let's take these inside, get warmed up some, folks. Then we'll show you what one inside of one of them looks like. We'll get ready to start eating. Everybody already started making their plates before I could show you what they look like. We
Got one in there eating.
got the one already eaten. Got Mama's. Oh man, these smell good. None smells like venison burgers. There's Miss Ellie's. All right. Everybody's asked, what's it look like? Let's see. These were cooked pretty fast. Just a slight little pink in the middle.
That's good for me.
We good? Put that back together. I'm getting ready to start eat. Once again, folks, thanks for the subscriptions. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the comments. We're going to have a great 2018. See you in the next one.